Now let us start for the one example. With the help of that particular example, we are going to see how to use all the options over here. So let us go for this particular geometry. This is one geometry we are having. Once we are visualizing for this particular geometry, we can assume that this particular geometry is axisymmetric. That means we can go for the quarter model of this particularly. That means we need to split it first. So let us keep it in visual option top. Now we can see I can split it vertically and then horizontally over here. So I can use a quarter model from this particular geometry. So let us go for the quarter model first. So let us create a center node for this particular geometry. On this node 3. Otherwise we can go for again on this node over here 3. Now we can see I need a center node. So I will say in between first and second I need a one node, and let us say create. So this is particularly a exactly single central node. Now let us say shift F9. So trim it with the help of surface and then trim it with the plane, and let us trim it with the given base options. So first I need to split it in a vertical fashion over here. So go for the vertical split with the help of this particular as a base, keeping your axis on a X. Let us say displayed for the surfaces, and let us say trim. Now we can see we are getting a exactly cut from a center over here. Now I need to trim it in this particularly, keeping over here and then trim in this way. So let us go for that particular trimming. Keep the base same, but axis of division will be Z axis because Z will interrupt over here, and let us keep it displayed same base, and let us say trim. Now we can see we are going to get this particular model with 4 different regions. Now let us go for F11. Now let us create a one collector with a one color number 2, and let us say created it. Now let us go for shift F11. For the surfaces I'm going to use these 2 surfaces. Just say copy, and let us come out of that one, and let us say display none, and display for this particularly, and just switch off for the remaining display. Now let us use this particular collector for the meshing over here. So let us go for that particular options, and let us try to mesh it for the quarter portion over here. So let us start our meshing by keeping it in a visual option 2. Let us say F8. On the line over here 3. Let us divide your geometry by clean up F12 from opposite line. One region is over here. Now next split we need to go for from this particularly to the opposite line. So let us go for F8 on this particular line 3 nodes, then F12 from node to the opposite line, and it is splitted over here. Next is I can split it in the vertical fashion also. So from the same node in this way, but it is creating somewhat tapered region. So let us go for reject it. No need of that particular kind of splitting. So let us go for the meshing over here. So let us start the mesh from the critical zone. So let us split and let us start our mesh. So let us check your F4 minimum distance. So a minimum distance of the geometry might be in between these 2 points. It is 10. So let us set our requirement of a global. So say G. Instead of keeping, I am going to keep it as 2.5, and let us say mesh. So let us say F12, create mesh for this particular region first, and let us try to adjust our element density over here. So let us reject, accept 4, 2 floor, 6, 5, so keep on 6, 7, reduce. Now let us adjust for the algorithms, rectangle, mesh, again same mesh. So again it is creating a trouble, so again we need to divide it. So let us say F8 on line 3, F12 clean up from node to opposite line list. Now it is a better way. Now let us go for the mesh of this particular surface. 3, 6, it's 9, 2, 3, so keep on 2. So all are having a good aspects of quality. If I'm keeping on density 3, again on over here 3, let us check for the aspect of a length failure. It is failing, so let us reduce it to 2. No failure, let us accept it, let us seek in a performance. Now let us go for this particularly. So F12, select this particular region, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let us drop down to the 6. Let us check for the density, 3 and 3. Let us mesh it, check for the quality aspect of length failure, no Jacobian failure, no warpage, no skew aspects and quad angles. So this is performed. Now let us go for this particularly. I can see 6 over here, 6 over here, 5, 13. So let us drop down over here to the 8, increase over here up to 8, and let us check for our quality aspects. Check length failure, over here it is failing. So let us drop down for density by 1 and again on 1. Let us check for the skew aspect, warpage, length. No length failure, no Jacobian failure, no angles failure. So let us accept it. So now let us go for the next thing, mesh over here. So again on this particular edge, F8, 3 nodes, let us keep it in this way. Let us go for F12, clean up, divide to the opposite line, and from this particular same node to the opposite line in a horizontal way. Now let us go for create mesh, select it, same mesh it. Now let us check it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So let us make it 9. Now let us drop it to the 9, 3, let us keep on 3, let us say algorithms, rectangles, set all, mesh, type, set all, mesh, rectangles, quads, mesh, size control, skew control, let us control it. Now it is fine. Now let us go for mesh, no length Jacobian failure, not on a single failure, angles. Angles it is violating for some 135 is limit 137. Let us accept it at this particular stage. Next to that one we need to go for this one. So let us go for over here. Let us check it. 9, drop down to the 9, 5, let us drop for 4, 4, check it. Check. Length failures, no failure. Let us accept it. Let us go for this particularly. Let us 4, 4, 3, 3. Let us accept. For Jacobian length, no failure. So now let us go for this particular meshing. So let us keep one mesh, drop down over here. So let us divide this particular surface also. So let us go for Shift F9. This particular surface, from this particular as a base, along Z axis, let us trim it. Now let us go for the meshing of this particular region, F12, this particularly, 3, 3, let us accept and let us check for the checks. No failures in length and Jacobian, so let us accept it. And next is this particular surface, so let us go for the meshing. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So count those. Opposite side it should be on 9. 19 and 19, so it should match in nodal to nodal connectivity. It's matched, so let us accept it. So in this way we are going to accept for our mesh. Now let us go for Shift F3, go for preview equivalence and let us say equivalence. Once you are saying equivalence, now let us go for display elements none, and now let us unsplit your geometry. Let us clean up, unsplit for whatever the splits we had performed over here. Let us unsplit it. Let us come out of this one. Now let us say display all. So all elements we are getting over here. So now check your element quality now. So F10, let us check for Jacobian, not a single failure. Length, some are failing over here. 7%. Warpage, not a single failure. No aspect, no skew, no caudal deviation. Caudal deviation is over here. Next is maximum angle failure, minimum angle failure. So let us go for length failure controlling first. So in this region we are going to get a length failure first. So let us control it. Let us say save failed, F12, create mesh, say retrieve elements, click on that one and let us say retrieve. Now we can see in this particular band we are going to get a bad element edge length. So let us select that particular band. Let us select it and let us highlight for these things. Select, save in. So we can parallelly mesh these things at a time. So let us go for select in this way, keep it on weave left, select the whole band, to this region. Now let us check for the correct selection order, say OK, say mesh it. Now check for the quality aspects. It's down by again 1. All are connected. Let us increase by 1. Let us increase by 1 again. Now we can see some hindrance over here. So let us go for aspect rectangle mesh. Type quad, select mesh. Again say details, rectangles, mesh. Size control mesh, skew off mesh. Now go for mixed. Try it. It's not adjusting in that particularly, so let us keep on rectangle, mesh, skew, card, mesh. It should not deviate in this way. So let us keep off these two. Let us say pentagon, mesh it. Now it is something adjusted. Now let us check for the quality aspects. No failure in length and Jacobian, no failure in a warpage, skew, angles. Let us accept it. So this is what our meshing is. Let us check for the nodal connectivity now. It's all connected. Let us shift F3, preview equivalence. Now let us go for F10, check for the length failure. Again the length is failing over here. So let us control for these elements. F12, select for that particular band. Let us say OK, 2 and 2. Let us go for the checks, not a failure. So let us go for F12, F10, check your length failure. Again length is failing in this particular region. So let us go for controlling over here. For global is 2.5 enter 0.65 multiplied enter exit. Now check it. So 0.65%, not a single length is failing right now. Now let us check for Jacobian, not a failure, warpage, aspects, maximum and minimum angle. So in this way we are performing a good mesh with the help of an options. But whatever the mesh we are performing right now, it is a quarter portion mesh. Now I can reflect it. So let us reflect our mesh. So I will reflect it on a center node. So let us reflect first. Tools, reflect, elements, displayed, duplicate from your original composition along Z axis on this particular base point, and let us say reflect. Now we can see it is reflected on the opposite side. So it is reflected over here. Let us say shift F3, preview equivalence. It is needing an equivalence over here at a reflected line, and just say equivalence. Now again I need to go for reflect all, duplicate from your original composition from the same base node, but now along X axis, and let us say reflect. And now let us cross check. It is reflected over here also. Let us say shift F3, preview equivalence, and let us say equivalence. Now let us go for F2, surfaces by collector, first number collector, select, delete. Now let us go for display, none. Shift F3, Shift F2. Let us clear all the nodes. Now let us say display none for elements and let us display for the nodes. Elements. This is what the elementary display. Now display for the geometry, say none and all. Now we can see our display is on for the geometry. Now let us go for F2, surface is off. Now if I am creating again one folder for elements or 2D mesh, create it for another color, let us say create, Shift F11, organize all the elements whatever the displayed are to one collector, let us say move, all are moved to one collector. Now display, again let us Shift F11, organize your surface also, but before going for surface organization let us go for display, elements none, let us F12 and unsplit your geometry. Let us go for unsplitting it. No need of these particular splits, whatever we have performed for the meshing purpose. Now let us say display none, this is on, this is also on, this is also on. These two are not needed, first and second. Okay, then in the geometry let us keep it off. Go for geometry, let us keep off, not a single surface, not a single surface, only a surface is in a first one. So let us go for Shift F11, surface, displayed in this particularly 2D mesh and just say move. Now let us say display none and again none. Switch on for your elements display, switch on for your surface display. Now it is fine and rest of the two collectors we can delete. So let us keep on F2, composition first second, select, delete your entity. Now all the things are belonging to your one collector, and this is the way we are going to perform our mesh with the help of collectors by creating a number of dummy collectors. Use those collectors, and once you are using it, after your use, move all elements and all the surfaces in a single collector, and whatever the splitted collectors used for different surfaces and meshes, delete those after organization of your surface and the elements. So this is the way we are going